Your nails are under my skin, you're always scratching at the right place. Yeah, you always act like we're friends, but then you go and treat me sideways. Your touch, it feels like nice, but gives me a rush I can't deny. I don't care how much you leave me dry, 'cause I'll wait until the next full moon. You're like a